In this short video I want to show you how to replace a dead battery inside a Xiaomi Toothbrush T300 or T500. In my case the toothbrush is working great since 3 to 4 years, but now recently the battery kind of broke. It will only last for around 30 seconds after full charge. So the charging port is still working great, and if I try to charge it, it is lighting up, but it just don't last long. So I found a video from Bricks on YouTube who already tried to repair the toothbrush, but he only found a way to open the toothbrush in what he called is an epic failure repair. So I tried to find a better solution which may also work for you. So I just picked up my Dremel and cut off the down part of the toothbrush. Be very careful while cutting the toothbrush. You can also just use a small saw, that you don't cut any interior parts. If you have done that, you can just pick off the upper part and then slowly push from upside to down and also pull a little bit, and it just will move out. So in the inner of the toothbrush is a battery, which is a ICR 14500 with 750 milliamps. So I already ordered a new one and I just will replace that. When the first time I tried to pick out the battery, be careful. The battery is soldered to the positive and negative, so it will get off really hard. I just used a screwdriver and pushed it slowly from every side, and it came out after some time, but be also careful with that part. For the replacement, I don't want to solder it back again on. I just used some paper clips to put it in place, and this should be just fine. The new battery I got from a retailer from eBay. It is not so expensive. I paid with shipment around €7, so this should be fine and is completely in the cost for the toothbrush. Yeah, so just pop it back in and also put back on the cover. And if you push the inner back, be careful to align the power button correctly, and it just should go in easily by itself. Just push a little bit. Check out if it is charging correctly, and then the toothbrush should work fine again. I would recommend to use some duct tape that the connection don't get water in the bathroom, but with this the toothbrush should work again for some years. I hope this video may help someone. Have a good day. Bye.